Hi Year 11 and welcome to your next lesson on exercise 10.04 which is annual leave loading. So annual leave loading, or sometimes it's referred to as holiday loading, is an extra payment to employees given at the start of their holidays. It's usually calculated at 17.5% of 4 weeks pay. So it's a little bit of extra money. So we're going to have a look at Brianna, who is a vet nurse. So Brianna earns $750 per week as a vet nurse. When she takes her 4 weeks annual holiday, she receives an extra 17.5. They've written this in an annoying way. We can also write this as 17.5% if we want to. A 4 weeks pay as holiday loading in addition to her normal 4 weeks pay. So we want to first start off by calculating her holiday loading and then determine the total value. So again, I'm going to grab my highlighter. We know $750 per week. Then we know then 17.5% of 4 weeks pay is what her loading will be. So the first thing we want to do is we want to find out how much 4 weeks pay is. So 4 weeks pay is just going to be the $750 per week, and we're going to multiply it by 4, which is going to give us a nice rounded number of $3,000. We then want to find her holiday loading. So I'm going to write holiday loading. And we know the holiday loading is 17.5% of that 4 weeks. So we need to think back to Unit 1, what we learnt about percentages, and we can write 17.5% as a decimal as 0.175. And we just get that by dividing it by 100. So we're going to take our 0.175 and we're going to multiply it by her 4 weeks pay, and it's going to give us $525. Now that we've got these two different values, that's just part A done. I was about to jump into part B. So therefore, Brianna's holiday loading is $525. Done. Part B, determine the total value of her holiday pay before she has to pay tax. So we're beginning to introduce the idea of tax here. So holiday pay is going to equal her normal pay of $3,000 plus her loading amount of $525. So this is going to give her $3,525. We have to write a therefore statement. So therefore, Brianna makes $3,525. You can just leave it like that. You can add a bit more information, but it's not really necessary. All right, have a go at exercise, what were we on, 10.04. Let me know if you need any help with the questions.